Okay, we came from the Central California area and had Splash Café clam chowder all the time at Pismo Beach. It's a staple there. It's amazing. It's fresh, it's delicious, and it's awesome. So now you can get the bread bowl packs and the kits at goldbelly.com. And I'm not sure if Splash Café has their own online system, but I think they use Goldbelly. Anyway, let's get started. And it comes in these frozen packets, and I have just thawed them out in the refrigerator. They're going to go in a boiling pan of water eventually, and I'm going to boil them till they're hot. Also, the kit comes with these amazing bread bowls that I will toast on this griddle. And I did go ahead and butter the tops as well. And I'm going to throw those in the pan with this third one because we're doing 3 tonight. The kit comes with 4, but we're just gonna do 3 for an early Father's Day meal. Just drop it right down in there. I already have 2 in there right now, so there we go. We don't wanna boil it, the instructions say, so we need to get it to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So how are you gonna test that when they're in a packet? We shall find out. I might just use my best guesstimate. When the pan gets hot, I'm going to toast these as well. Perfect fit too. This is how it's starting to look, and this is what I did. Okay, so I am browning these on the griddle. This one was, ooh, this is turning out nice. Okay, so I'm doing the bottoms too because they're a little bit large and they're a little bit cold. So it comes with amazing instructions, so you'll know just what to do. Okay, here's my bread bowl. I'm going to hollow it out, put the clam chowder in, and put the lid on it and eat. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like the best meal ever. Splash Café, Pismo. Go get it there in person if you can. If not, go to Goldbelly and order it.